everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to talk about some items that are launching from the men's collection. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
Before I start, I have to give a little PSA. Why do the men get the best stuff from Louis Vuitton? Why do they get the best stuff? Like, this Monogram Rainbow collection is super hot. I'm excited. I love it. I cannot wait for the unboxings to roll in. I mean, amazing. I had to put that out there. I had to give a little PSA. So we are going to start with the Horizon 55, guys. This is basically a part of the traveling side. So if you don't travel, you might not want to even look at these because it's going to make you want to travel, okay? It's going to make you want to travel. I am going to discuss 6 different colors. The first color being one of my favorite out of all of the items that are coming out is this purple. The Horizon 55 in purple. Absolutely amazing. The inside interior, the textile inside interior is also purple. Hardware, of course, from the men collection, 9 times out of 10, basically, I think all the time, it's silver hardware, okay? That's honestly when I first started purchasing from Louis Vuitton. That's how I can kind of tell what was, you know, the men coming out for the men and coming out for the women is by the hardware. So the purple, honestly, is my favorite out of the entire collection. Here is the other colors, which is pink. We have a few items that have been coming out in pink for the women, but for the men, it's like they go like times 10 and make sure they get the best. So here's the beautiful pink and also the interior, which matches, of course, silver hardware. We also have the red. That's my husband's favorite color, and I think this is so sexy. I love it. And all of these items, guys, when traveling, it's see me. This isn't any type of quiet luxury, so we have to be careful. Apple tag. Go on Amazon, order Apple tag, because like I said, this isn't quiet luxury. This is extra loud luxury because they added the color as well, okay? So rolling through the airport, this is see me. The next is the blue. The blue is very hot. I love it against the monogram. The inside, of course, matches with blue with the silver hardware. The beautiful, beautiful orange. This is amazing. The inside interior, which matches. And you know what? My Alma BB has silver hardware as well. So I think that's a sign that I need to purchase this. And then we have the yellow. We don't get a lot of yellow from LV, so this is hot as well. So guys, let me know out of the 6. Again, this is the Horizon 55, okay? Horizon 55. If you want to travel in style, if you've been waiting to purchase, this is the way to go. Launch date November the 9th, and I love it. I love it, guys. And oh, let me not forget, it's also coming out in green as well. Money green. But we've been getting items in green from LV, from the women and the men. But if you are, you know, a collector of everything green, this is going to be hot and you need it in your collection. Here is a beautiful blue pocketbook, guys. This is so lovely. I love this. I honestly love the blue without the monogram more. And the pocketbooks, guys, I mean, they're just beautiful. You have the blue color. I love the inside card slots. And you have the red. Guys, this is amazing. LV, I mean, this is, I can't stop bragging on this. I absolutely love this. And we also have more Horizon 55s that are coming out without the canvas, okay? Without the monogram canvas. We have the yellow, we have the green, and we also have the red. It's so much. I have to reach out to my CA. She doesn't really send me anything from the men collection because, you know, I really don't search for the men collection unless my husband sees something. But I'm going to ask for this lookbook because this is screaming men and women as well. We need some of these items. So I'm going to give you guys another update on this as well. Here is a beautiful Keep All 50 in the orange, monogram in orange. This is hot. Oh my God, I love this. Of course, the inside lining matches the outside orange color. This is everything, guys. Again, all of these items should be used as carry on, okay? Just be careful because, like I said, this is basically see me coming, loud luxury, and it kind of scares me a little bit, okay? And let's talk about the beautiful Voyagers. To me, this is just the men's way of saying that they have a toiletry 26, but it is larger than a toiletry 26. I love the colors that are coming out, and my favorite, of course, is the purple. The purple and monogram. Guys, we don't get purple. I keep saying this. If you are a fan of purple, run. Run. Our toiletry 26 in monogram does not have an inside side pocket. Now this one does, okay? So as you guys can see, inside the Voyager, you have a side pocket. Exactly like this, okay? It has the inside lining, the leather inside lining, and this is unprump leather. So it has the exact side pocket. And like I said, in the monogram toiletry 26, we don't. And I love the price point. I just think that is insane. Oh my God, $1,020. So if we get the coin card holder, which is $415, plus the Voyager, which is $1,020, guys, I would say altogether $1,600–$1,700 for both of those. That's under $2,000. And I'm pretty sure you can convert the Voyager. I haven't seen it converted since it is from the men's collection, but I'm pretty sure we can convert the Voyager and turn it into whatever we want, or you can just use it as a clutch. If you are a collector and you love purple, you love yellow, you love green, guys, this is the time to collect these items at a good price point to me. $1,020 isn't bad for what we've been hearing from the women, okay? You also have the pink, and you also have the beautiful money green. I'm excited, and I think I'm going to jump. And when I say jump, I think I'm going to purchase. I keep sitting up here thinking about it, guys. I honestly think I am going to purchase. Everything from the men collection has been hot. We need to talk about this. If this is something that you are interested in, if you think that you are honestly going to order, please let me know. Again, if you are a VIC, you should be able to reach out to your CA and put them know what you want, okay? Please do not sleep on these, because I slept on the tennis shoes and I honestly wanted a pair of tennis shoes, and I went online and they are not there. I honestly didn't think the men collection sold out like the women collection does, and most definitely it did. They shop just like us, and they shop probably more. I'm just now finding this out. So guys, let me know. Leave it in the comments if you are going to pre-order. Like I said, my eye is on the purple because that's something we hardly don't see purple and LV mingle together. But that's what my eye is on. If you have your eye on a specific color, please share. Let me know. I know a lot of you guys are interested in the men's collection as well because you sent me a DM. And on tomorrow, we are going to talk about the fashion show. I am excited about that because I saw some hot bags, basically everything in my opinion, was hot from the fashion show, okay? So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, let's share, besties. Let me know if you are going to be ordering anything from the Monogram Rainbow Collection. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, bye-bye.